Within the She Builds program, we introduce girls to the exciting and viable career path of construction management. And over 5 days this year, we've expanded to a week of activities with industry partners who have come in and done exciting activities with the students. And we are year 4. Our program has grown tremendously over the years with students coming as far north as Central Florida to this year's camp. So we're excited of the expansion and the growth of the program. We have industry guests that come in to provide hands-on, exciting activities for students. You're able to experience things here at FIU, such as our startup FIU. This year, girls actually created a backpack prototype, which we were able to see amazing designs by students. So there's a place for every student at She Builds, and I encourage you to attend, as this is a great end of the summer experience.
My favorite thing was that we got to go to an active construction site, a future hospital, and that was very cool to see.
They have an opportunity to go to the job site, and then from that state of the job site, they came back and then doing everything in the 3D world, which is pretty cool. So they already see what happened there. They come back and they can build it based on what they already see in the job site.
So this program introduces them also to the technology role and to be able to see themselves also in areas that focus on engineering, science, math.
Our robot's name is Morty, and Morty is a Spot Boston Dynamics robotic dog. And what we're trying to use it on the job sites is repeatable tasks that maybe our field engineers do on a regular day basis. And I think it really raised awareness on all the opportunities that technology has, that the girls can see how it can be involved in construction too.
Being a woman-owned company, we want to attract more young ladies to become a part of the construction management industry and understand that you can still participate in construction and not get your nails dirty. And if you choose to get your nails dirty and work and drive an excavator, you can do that as well, because we can do it all.
I think She Builds brings so much value because maybe this year, and I know they do it every summer, Turner offers roles in pre-construction, safety, engineering, superintendent, project management, and you can change positions.
Last year I was a camp counselor for She Builds, and now I have a full-time job as a project engineer, so I'm coming back to share my experience. It's never too early to start making connections. You're gonna meet people, people are gonna talk to you. You get their contact information. So when the time comes, when you're ready to join the industry and get into the industry, you have the connection.
From the first day, the camaraderie of everyone, that we all came together and we all formed new relationships, especially with the camp facilitators. They all were very nice, and just all of us girls being together, it makes it a lot easier to make friends and build relationships that'll last longer.
Me and Samantha and Miyake, this other girl, we met each other on the first day and we clicked instantly, and we haven't been apart since Monday till now. And I feel like we can be good friends up in the future, and I'm really happy I met them.
I think it's about talking to people, opening yourself up, and allowing yourself to make new friends, and that's how it happened.
For the people coming in upcoming years, don't be afraid to ask questions, because you'll get more information from all the professionals, and I think you'll really like it.
So historically, the She Builds camp has been over 3 days, but with the growth and support from our industry, we've been able to expand it to 5 days this year. So we're excited and very appreciative of our industry support that has made the week possible. It allows girls to see themselves in a field where they can be an impact in their community. It's nothing like going past a building and say, I built that.
She Builds! She Builds!